Welcome, friends. The COVID 19 crisis has been declared as a pandemic by the World Health Organization. This infectious disease, caused by coronavirus, has been affecting people in millions across the globe. In this unprecedented situation, the health seeking behavior of the people has changed to a great extent. People are now focusing on foods that are really healthy, which would help in the treatment and prevention of diseases and infections. In this context, I would like to outline the role of nutraceuticals in promoting immune health. The COVID 19 crisis has converted the consumers around the world more aware of the critical role a strong immune system plays in health maintenance and disease prevention. Fears of possible additional outbreaks when the people resume their normal behaviors has ignited renewed interest in immune boosting foods. Nutraceutical is a term that has been coined from two terms, namely nutrition and pharmaceutical. Nutrition is a science wherein the nutrients interact to promote health of the individual, and pharmaceutical is used as a remedy for sickness. Nutraceutical therefore incorporates both these properties and therefore is used as a preventive medical approach. To introduce, nutraceuticals are products which, other than providing the basic nutrition for the body, are also used as medicine. A nutraceutical product may be defined as a substance that provides protection against chronic diseases and infectious illness. They include herbal products, dietary supplements, specific diets, and processed foods. Nutraceuticals, therefore, have potential nutritional value, safety, and therapeutic effects. Nutraceuticals are used to improve health of the individual, delay the aging process, prevent chronic diseases, increase life expectancy, support the structure and function of the body. Immune system defends the body from infections that are caused by pathogens such as the bacteria, viruses, and fungi. It protects the body throughout the growth and the development of an individual. The microorganisms are omnipresent. They are present everywhere in nature. So the immune system should be really strong and healthy in order to counteract the microorganisms that are present in nature. The immune system may be divided into two types. They are the innate immunity and the adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is present right from the birth of the individual, and adaptive immunity is acquired after an infectious disease. Innate immunity is produced by a certain set of cells such as the macrophages, neutrophils, dendritic cells, eosinophils, and the basophils. And the adaptive immunity is brought about by the T cells and the B cells. Human microbiota is very important in a strong immune system. The human body has about 7 pounds of microorganisms or bacteria in its skin and the gastrointestinal system. One of the major role of the gastrointestinal microbiota is to limit the intestinal pathogens and to maintain constitutive low-grade physiological inflammation. It helps in maintaining the balance between the harmful bacteria and the symbiotic microorganisms or the good bacteria. Immune health, therefore, consists of a complex collection of cells, processes, and chemicals. Keeping the immune system healthy year-round is key in preventing infection and diseases. Making healthy lifestyle choices is important to bolster the immune system. Supplementation can improve immune response and potentially protect against various illnesses. Nutraceuticals therefore plays a vital role in promoting immunity in the individuals. A wide variety of nutraceuticals have been used and they have crucial roles in the immune status. Nutraceuticals belong to the category of immune boosters are useful to improve the immune functions. Nutraceuticals are important remedies to address health issues with absolutely no side effects. They have been used for a long period without serious toxicity. Antioxidants are one of the most important nutraceutical that has been widely used. They play a crucial role in quenching the free radicals that are produced in the body. Free radicals cause intense cellular and tissue damage, making the system vulnerable to infections. The balance of antioxidants and reactive oxygen species can cause cellular damage, which plays a role in immune system function. Diet therefore plays a significant role in helping to maintain antioxidant and inflammatory balance. So this image shows the role of the antioxidants. The antioxidants are capable of neutralizing the free radical reaction in our body. The most important antioxidants are the vitamins. Vitamin C, D, and E protect the body from free radical damage and also the damage to the DNA. The body's immune system creates free radicals that neutralizes the viruses and the bacteria. Under a healthy condition, the body can manage free radicals through their production or their nutrition. Is a very popular antioxidant. Vitamin A is also a micronutrient that has very important physiological activities. It helps in the maintenance of a healthy skin and also the maintenance of the mucous membrane. It is known as an anti-inflammatory vitamin. Vitamin A is involved in the development of the immune system, and it has demonstrated a therapeutic effect in the treatment of various infectious diseases. All the foods that are yellow, orange, and red in color contain beta carotene, and the green leafy vegetables are also rich in beta carotene, which can be later converted to vitamin A. So, consume a diet that contains plenty of vitamin A in order to attain a healthy immune system. Vitamin D can modulate both the innate as well as the adaptive immune system. Deficiency in vitamin D is associated with increased autoimmunity. Deficiency in vitamin D should not occur in a country like India, which has tropical climate, where there is adequate amount of sunlight. Vitamin D is also known as the sunshine vitamin, which can be received or which can be synthesized by the body when it is exposed to sunlight. Vitamin D helps to inhibit the B cell proliferation and blocks B cell differentiation and immunoglobulin secretion also. Vitamin D suppresses the T cell proliferation. It promotes the body's production of cathelicidin, an antimicrobial peptide. Vitamin C is another popular antioxidant that has been used since ancient times for the prevention of infectious diseases. Vitamin C protects against infection as it is a powerful antioxidant. It supports the function of various immune cells and enhances their ability to protect against infection. It is required for the formation of the white blood corpuscles in the body. It is also required for removing the dead cells from the body and for the production of new cells. The citrus fruits like lemon, orange, etc. are rich in vitamin C. Green leafy vegetables, guava and amla are also rich in vitamin C. So consume adequate amount of vitamin C in order to have a healthy immune system. Zinc is a mineral that helps to boost the immune system. It is needed for the immune cell development as well as its communication. A deficiency in this nutrient significantly affects the immune system's ability to function properly. Zinc is present in nuts, whole grains. It is present in the animal foods as well. Selenium is another important nutrient that is required for regulating the immune system. It helps in maintaining the oxidative stress, redox, and also the crucial cellular processes. Selenium supplementation is immunostimulatory. Adaptive immunity is affected by selenium intake, including the activation and the functions of T and the B cells. Dairy products, animal foods, whole grains, green leafy vegetables are rich in selenium. B complex vitamins also plays a role in the maintenance of immune health. B vitamins, including vitamin B12 and B6, are important for a healthy immune system. A deficiency of B6 has been shown to depress immunity. Deficiency of vitamin B12 and folic acid can cause megaloblastic anemia that depresses the white blood cell count. Other B vitamins such as thiamine, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid play a role in optimal immune response. All the B complex vitamins can be obtained by consuming whole grains and green leafy vegetables and legumes. Vitamin B12 is present exclusively in the animal foods, but it is also being synthesized in the body. DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, which is called as the omega-3 fatty acid, enhances the production of antibodies and cytokines. Eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid directly influences physical and functional properties of the membranes, gene expression, inter and intracellular communication, inflammatory response, and production of the eicosanoids. They are direct influencers of both immune development and immune response. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food, stated Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Therefore, let us consume a healthy food to remain healthy. Garlic contains a bioactive compound called as allicin. This compound is converted into allicin, which is the main active ingredient of garlic. Allicin contains sulfur, which gives garlic its distinctive smell and taste. Allicin is unstable, so it quickly converts to a sulfur-containing compound which gives garlic its medicinal property. This sulfur-containing compound is called as diallyl sulfide. Diallyl sulfide helps to boost the disease-fighting response of the white blood cells in the body when they encounter virus. Garlic has powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties. It enhances the immune system by stimulating the protective white blood cells like the natural killer cells and the macrophages. Turmeric is a miraculous food that has been used since ancient times. Turmeric helps to bolster the immune system by increasing the immunomodulating capacity of the body. Turmeric contains a bioactive compound called as curcumin. This is an orange-yellow component that is present in turmeric. Curcumin is a potent immunomodulatory agent that can modulate the activation of the T cells, B cells, macrophages, neutrophils, natural killer cells, and the dendritic cells. Turmeric possesses anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal activity. Turmeric has been widely used in different types of cuisine, which has health promoting potential. Curcumin can also downregulate the expression of various pro-inflammatory cytokines and chemokines. Curcumin has shown immune system modulation properties, and it alters immune response so as to avoid hypersensitivity reaction as well. Ginger. This tuber is rich in antioxidants that have anti-inflammatory properties, antimicrobial properties, and it is a very popular carminative. Ginger elixirs have been used since ancient times due to its rich phytochemistry. It has two types of compounds, the volatile and the non-volatile compounds. Volatile compounds include sesquiterpene and monoterpenoid hydrocarbons, providing the distinct aroma and taste of ginger. Non-volatile pungent compounds include gingerols, shagols, paradols, and gingerone. Ginger is a natural blood thinner and contains a phenolic compound called gingerol that relaxes the blood vessels. Inhaling the steam of ginger can soothe throat pain, inflammation, and congestion. It helps to build a healthy immune system. Probiotics are effective in conditions such as infectious diarrhea in children and recurrent Clostridium-induced infection. So what are probiotics? Probiotics are nothing but foods that contain live microorganisms that can impart a health benefit to the individual. Supplementation with probiotics may improve the balance of pro and anti-inflammatory cytokines. Probiotics manipulate the intestinal microflora and helps to maintain a normal balance between pathogenic and non-pathogenic bacteria. Probiotics are present in food such as the yogurt and curd. Probiotic preparation comprises of one of these lactic acid bacteria, Lactobacillus, Bifidobacterium, and Streptococcus. Holy basil, otherwise called as tulsi, is one of the best medicinal herbs present in the planet, which has miraculous properties due to the presence of essential oils and phytonutrients. It has exceptional antibiotic, germicidal, fungicidal, and disinfectant property. It contains phytochemicals, bioflavonols, and antioxidants such as rosmarinic acid, which is a very good antimicrobial agent for treating infections in the respiratory tract. Tulsi leaf extract increases the T helper cells and natural killer cells activity, boosting the immune system. Consuming a few leaves of tulsi can be very beneficial in strengthening the immune system. Basil is called as Tirnitru Pachilai in Tamil. Sweet basil contains monoterpenoids, polypropanoids, and sesquiterpenoids. Beneficial immune responses include increased natural killer cell and T helper cells in healthy adults and improved immune response to viral infection. It increases the circulating levels of select cytokines and interferons. Coleus aromaticus. It possesses antioxidant activity which is reported to be due to rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, and caffeic acid. This is called as Omavalli in Tamil. The essential oil of Coleus aromaticus has great antimicrobial activity on gram-negative and positive bacteria, drug-resistant microorganisms, phytopathogenic microorganisms, and fungi. It has promising fungicidal activity against Aspergillus, Candida, Fusarium, Penicillium, and Saccharomyces. Carvacrol or thymol and beta-caryophyllin are the major active constituents of essential oils present in this plant. So to conclude, the immune modulating properties of the body can be enhanced through lifestyle changes by consuming a balanced diet, optimal use of nutraceuticals, which we have reviewed now, regular exercise, adequate rest, and a stress-free life. Herphilus in the 700 BC stated that when health is absent, wisdom cannot reveal itself, art cannot manifest, strength cannot fight, wealth becomes useless, and intelligence cannot be applied. Therefore, all of us should eat healthy to live healthy. Thank you.